what foods our God love, and I will show you what I cooked so you'll see it. Here we go. 2 cabbages, 3 big carrots. And for people who say you are going to feel bloated, it is not the first time I'm eating the cabbage. I used to feel bloated, but not anymore. So that is mushrooms fried with 2 big onions, mustard seeds, spices and herbs, and olive oil. And yes, you can fry in olive oil. And that is one of the best. Kids love them. So you fry 3 big onions with olive oil until the onion is golden brown sort of, and then mix with 2 kilos carrots. So you would say, how long it's going to last all this for you? Not long, 3 days. Kids will have some mushroom. Kids will not have mushrooms. So yeah, 3 days. When you fix your gut, you won't feel bloated. That's simple, and it's true.